This internship has given me a really good idea of what I want to do in the future.
I got to explore a lot of different roles that interested me here at Forge, outside of my department in upstream.
Everybody here really wants you to learn as much as possible.
The whole company is one big team. We all work together, and there's teams within teams within teams. And everyone is supporting each other, checks up on each other, makes sure people are able to get what they need to get done.
My mentor has been a huge support for me. He's always very patient, like he'll explain it to me, then he'll let me try it out myself.
My mentor has given me a lot of good advice on career development.
I think my favorite employee event that we've done here at Forge was a panel that we had with the previous interns. So I think that was really helpful, just kind of setting the groundwork for the rest of the internship, was getting their thoughts on the process.
My favorite event was the Mid-Ohio Food Bank because I felt like we got to make a really big impact on the community, and we also had fun and we were talking the whole time, and I really enjoyed that.
If I could describe Forge's company culture in one word, I would say lively,
Collaborative,
Welcoming,
Refreshing,
Energetic,
Supportive.
I feel like here I was really valued as a worker. I was given projects and responsibilities that were interesting and meaningful and impactful. And the company culture here is also just, again, far more refreshing than places that I've been at, and just very inviting.
My project that I've been working on this summer should hopefully make a huge impact on the company because it might even be able to increase plasmid yield. So not only have I learned a lot, but hopefully it'll be able to help the company a lot in the future as well.
I feel very supported in all aspects, whether it be with my actual team or the internship as a whole with all my other fellow interns. I feel like I have a family here.